Hi, I'm 𝗘𝘅𝘁𝗀𝗃. Here's a high-voltage switch in CrownCAD. You can see the assembly simulates how the parts interact, but it's missing a connecting rod. Let's add it. First, create a new part document. Use the extruded boss or base feature, draw a slot, and add dimensions. Draw holes and add dimensions. Complete the main structure through symmetric extrusion. Use the fillet to finish the connecting rod. Return to the assembly, insert the connecting rod, and mate it. Drag the operating lever to verify the motion relationship. To batch copy components, use the linear component pattern command, set the spacing, direction, and number. On the other side, use the mirror components command. Adjust the orientation of the instances to complete the mirroring. Finally, use the linear component pattern on the connecting rod and other components. That's all. Visit www.crowncad.com to start designing.